Hey everybody, grandparails. Gonna do this HO scale concrete green elevator project. It was made or designed by this gentleman right here, KA Brumble. I got it off of Thingiverse, as you can see. It's in my likes. And you can toggle through here. It'll, whoops, can't do that. I don't have a touchscreen. I don't know what I was thinking. Toggle through and you can see it shows you all the different pieces as they come. He's made some modifications. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you to Mr. Brumble. I subscribe to, or I follow his channel. He has a lot of stuff that I have put on my likes. Let's see, I'll go over here. And there's just tons of stuff. A lot of it's got his name. There's a couple others that I follow. And on the video you're about to watch, it's got some music on there. Foreigner, Hot Blooded. Let's see, what was the other one? I think The Who, Don't Get Fooled Again. There may be others. All the music belongs to them. All the rights and all that good stuff. All I was doing was playing a radio. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hey everybody, Grandpa Rails, working on my grain elevator project. This is the conveyor house. Been doing some windows, gluing these little bad boys on here. Make sure everything lines up. Looks pretty good. And on, well, at least it survived the fall. Dropped it on the floor. Anyway, I was going to show you this side right here. These are blanked out windows. And these are the glass I printed. Anyway, I've got a bunch more windows to do. Some of these are for the elevator shed where the train car goes in, and one for the where the trucks go in. Anyway, I'll get back to you as we go along and build this project. Hey, Mr. Puppers, how are ya? Nice of a visit, Mr. Smiley Face. All right, on to my next building that I'm installing windows in. This is the truck, and this is the rail car. And we'll be back. See you in a bit. And here's the truck building with the windows in. The rail car building will look the same. It's pretty cool. We'll do more in a little bit. Well, here we are back at it, doing it again. I'm putting windows into the elevator, and oh look, there's nothing there on that side. Almost done on this part, and I've got another part to do, and we will see you then. We know we'll be back at it, doing it again. Hey, a little update on the elevator build, putting it together. There you go, just like rock candy, baby. All right, so here we have the elevator assembled. That smaller. Hey, that looks better. Spin it around. Now these are blanked out windows, but they look like they're clear. These have some 3D printed glass windows. You can't really tell, but there's also some blanks in here. Yeah, not all the windows can be open or glass. Now this side's got the 3D printed glass, but you can't tell because it looks black. But I do have the ability to stick a light up in here and it'll light that up, and same thing in here, it'll shine down in there. Anyway, that's the finished elevator. All I have to do over here for the loading, unloading sheds, just put a roof on them and glue them down to their base, and then put them wherever I'm going to put them. Anyway, thanks for watching, subscribing, and we'll see you later.